Hi, I'm Shabnam Arora. I stay in Netherlands nowadays, and I want to share my experience with Wellcure. Um, I was I got connected with Wellcure almost 4 years ago when I was going through a really bad time in my health conditions. I was having a lot of PMS symptoms every month, which was too much problematic for me, and then PCOS, along with indigestion issues and other health ailments. That is when I met Anchal through one of the colleagues, and she introduced to me laws of nature, which are being shared by Wellcure. I wasn't very much convinced in the beginning because I felt like this is some sort of a diet program. But when I spoke to Anchal and I learned that this is based on the laws of nature, I thought, okay, let me try. And the beauty of the part was, Anchal mentioned that we are not going to give you a full fledged plan or something. What we are going to do is we introduce you to the laws, and slowly you can start experimenting with your food regime, and then you see if you want to take the next step. I think this was an important and different step, so to say, because there was no set rules. There were set rules, but they were kind of a guiding anchors and not a set plan for diet or something. So hence I thought of just taking the first step by changing my one breakfast routine. And I can say this was an experience based learning because I was being told by Anshul that listen to your body, and if you feel good about it, then we move to the next step. So that's what we did. I took my first step from the breakfast, and because of that only, I started feeling so much difference in my energy and so much positivity in my body that I wanted to experience it further. And this is how we moved further. And to summarize the changes that I made, it was more of a plant based diet, and more important, what to eat when. And I also learned various food combinations, what is supposed to be eat with what is specific, I would say, is something that I learned from Wellcure. And if I talk about how it changed my life, I became so much full of energy. It gave me positive perceptions. I would say because of balance in my hormones, it gave me a lot of joyful mood, and it made me feel confident about my body and life. And since I started feeling positive, confident about body and life, that is how I gained confidence to go for my second pregnancy also, despite of the fact that the first one was too much problematic for me and kind of traumatic experience. So I would say the whole experience and learning from Wellcure really helped me to go ahead for my second pregnancy because I felt so confident. And today my daughter is almost 2 months old. You can already hear her crying at the background. So the whole 9 months of pregnancy was also so much positive for me. I had followed the basic thumb rules taught by Anchal to me, and this really made my pregnancy journey very smooth. Thank you very much.